Hello again, Porsche fans. So today we're looking at a Kyosho Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This is the 997 series, by the way, and I guess it's the first generation, the non-facelifted one. So I guess it's known as a 997.1 GT3 RS. So here's some colorway choices here, by the way. I got this blue one, obviously. They all look pretty interesting with the red wheels and the checkered, stripe on the side and red mirrors. I'll be honest with you, I'm not sure if I like it. What do you guys think about this colorway of any of them? Anyways, I personally wouldn't drive a Porsche painted like this, but it's never going to happen in real life, so it doesn't matter. Okay, well, anyways, this model, the GT3 RS, is a homologation model, and it came out in 2006, and over 1,000 of them were delivered for various racing classes and racing series, like a Porsche Cup series and some other stuff. So the engines varied, I guess, in their power output. They were all 3.6 liter engines, and the output was between 450 and 500 PS. So I guess it depends on the tune or something, or what year it was sold. Okay. It also has an electronically adjustable suspension system. Never knew that. Supposedly it's also 20 kilograms lighter than the regular GT3. And then it has this adjustable carbon fiber wing and a plastic windscreen, so to help reduce weight. And when you're racing, you want to have plastic windows, so if you crash, the glass doesn't fly off everywhere. Okay, the body is also supposed to be like 2.5 inches wider, or like 64 millimeters wider in the back, because the body is shared with the Carrera 4. Okay, so that will give you wider tires, meaning better grip and cornering, but it also means more drag. So everything's a trade-off, right? So those are the stats I found for this car. So naturally, you saw all the dust on this thing. This is a used model. I don't know why it would be stored in a dusty condition like that, but whatever. A little brush will knock all that off. So let's take a look here. So starting with the wheels, yeah, they're pretty red. It's not really my style. This color scheme is not my style, but it definitely doesn't. It definitely will stand out in my collection of cars. So I guess I'm alright with it. Unfortunately, you see a lot of orange peel here, so this paint job wasn't the greatest by Kyosho, so it's too bad. The tires have some curvature to the sidewalls. No brakes though. All these blister Kyoshos don't have brakes. Door handle sticks out. That seems pretty accurate. We got some black paint for the window molding. That's good. The red mirrors. No silver though. Going to the front, we got the plastic lights there, the headlights. So that looks pretty good. The Porsche badge. I feel like it's crooked. Let's see. It's somewhat legible, which is nice. Well, it's not legible, but it's one of the better Porsche badges I've seen. But now under this high magnification, I'm noticing, the paint rash is starting up, or it's already there. So that's too bad. Yeah, actually, I can see it with the naked eye as well. Okay, that's too bad. Alright, so we got some black paint here in these little vents, and then red and black here, so that's pretty good detail work there. This is black, and it's part of the casting, it's not part of the base. And then silver paint here, so that's pretty good. Some molded in wiper blades, and they're painted black, so that's pretty neat. This side, I don't see any quality problems. I'm now noticing some silver paint for this marker here. Yeah, everything seems alright there. Okay, let's go to the back here. So yeah, these are nice taillights. It's a pretty good breakup between the white and the red. So I don't know how they do that so well. It doesn't look like it's paint. I mean, it's so smooth. Maybe it is painted or printed on there. Yeah, I think it is. Because it looks like it's pretty clear all behind that red. Okay, well anyways. This says GT3 RS there in red. There we go. And then some silver on the exhaust tips. Those exhaust tips look pretty good. Are they dimensional? Yes, they are. Look at that. It goes in pretty far. Some black paint here for these vents here. That's pretty good. A little third brake light printing there. And this wing is pretty nice actually, because it's not super thick plastic. Look how thin this wing is. And these struts here. It's one of the thinnest wings I've seen on a Kyosho. It's one of the thinnest wings I've seen on 164. I'm not sure if it's the thinnest one, but it's up there as far as thinness goes, so that's good. Alright, so now I notice there's a roll cage on the interior. So why don't we get the flashlight here and see. It's black. We're gonna not see too much, but you'll see some sort of details here on the inside. Well, there's a steering wheel, instruments, but no additional printing, no additional colors, just all black plastic, which is too bad. Although when I look at the images of the real car, yeah, it's a black interior, so I guess it's accurate. Wow, I'm now noticing this mirror is falling out, so that's not good. I'm gonna have to glue that, so keep that in mind if you buy these Kyoshos. Yeah, that mirror is loose. Good thing I noticed. Alright, so a little crazy glue later on. Okay. So, the paint rash is an issue, obviously. I don't know when this Porsche model came out by Kyosho, but at least 5 years ago, I imagine. Maybe 10? Don't know. Well, let me see here. The GT3 and yeah, it came on. I have no idea. I'm not gonna guess. Okay, well, let me put it on the spin thing here and go look at the photos of the real car. Actually, let me hold it up next to this photograph here. Yeah, it looks pretty good, right? What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty accurate. I suppose well, yeah, there's not much to nitpick about. Okay, so what about the rear view? Yeah, again, seems pretty good to me. I mean, the graphics, as weird as they are, like that GT3 RS right there on the fender, it's strange. It's so garish, I think. And it's also on the front fender here on the opposite side. So, well, anyways, okay. It's not my particular style choice, but everyone has different styles, right? So clearly someone bought one for real because they took pictures of their real car there, which is nice to have. I guess it would have been nice to have some black paint in the center caps, but I guess red wheels are good enough here. So anyways, a quick review. I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next one.